So I made a video last year on making CRTs that y'all love, thanks. But with Premiere's update this year, we discovered the grid was missing. So I had to show the homies how we're gonna get the CRT effect in Premiere in 2026. Alright, first we're gonna add our video layer. Screen recording, music video, whatever you like. Next we're going to create a new adjustment layer. Boom. We're going to put it on top of our clip. Then we're going to alt and drag to duplicate our adjustment layer. We'll be working with the second one in a little while.
Don't worry about it.
So on the first adjustment layer, head over to your effects and add the mosaic effects. Now in effect controls, max out the num title with 200 and change the stroke amount to 30%. Ooh, you can already see the greedy. Now we change the opacity to a 10. We don't want to do too much now. Move over to the second adjustment layer and we're going to give it that CRT feel with the RGB split effect. In effect controls, you can really mess around with these settings, but I'm satisfied with changing horizontal split to a 0.5. If you want something a little extra, you can change the vertical split to 1. But for now, I'm cool, so let's change vertigo to a 25. We're gonna go back to effects. We're adding the spherize.
I don't even know how to read. I don't know what.
Effect. Make your radius 1000. Your preview might look a little pregnant for a bit, and that's cool. All you gotta do is adjust the center of this sphere. Yo, the pH is really fucked me up. Sphere. To add even more depth, we're gonna add the focus blur effect. Blur amount is gonna be 10 and softness to 100 and chromatic aberration to 100 as well. Last but not least, we're going to add the strobe light effect. Change the color from white to black. Blend the original to about 98%, strobe duration to 0.1 and period to 0.2. Doesn't matter if you want it for screen recordings, music videos, whatever, it's gonna look good. Thank you guys for holding down the fort while I've been gone. I've just been busy lifing and stuff, but I'm back now, so check out the store if you see anything you like. Don't forget to subscribe and calmly, gently smash that like button. See y'all very soon.